2 years ago, we repaired this part of the showroom floor. It was really badly scratched, and what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of the original video that we shot 2 years ago, so you can see how the floor looked then. But we've returned today to refresh the floor, to deep clean the floor in the showroom here in Camberley. This is Simply Carpets and Flooring, and they have their floors cleaned and resealed every year. This showroom is very busy, so they do have a huge amount of footfall through here every week. So it's important the floor looks good. So we've returned today to deep clean and to reseal the floor. And for those of you who remember our visit 2 years ago, you will remember that there were some fairly bad scratches on this part of the showroom floor. We resurfaced this portion here with a PU sealer, and that seal has actually held up. 2 years later, it feels like a brand new floor. When we were cleaning it, there was almost a slickness to the surface once we cleaned it. So, but all we've done then is once it had dried, we simply just put a standard hard seal over the top, just to enhance it and to make it look a little bit more presentable. So there you go. PU sealers work really well. They are more expensive than your standard seal, but they will actually prolong the life of the tile. There you have it. Thanks for watching.